If you ever tried customizing any GHL web page, you know the struggle. You're stuck between whatever GHL is natively providing you or the GHL custom web widgets from the marketplace. If you want something custom other than that, then good luck with it. Most of the developers don't even know where to start from because the documentation is, well, let's just say it could be better. But the thing is, once you understand the communication between the GHL web widget and the web builder, then everything starts to get a lot easier. We have already dropped a bunch of free GHL web widgets that are now available in the GHL marketplace. You guys can go check them out, and if you have any ideas, feel free to challenge us. We'd love to help you with that. Okay, firstly, let's just understand what is actually happening here. When you drag a web widget into your GHL web builder, you're not just adding a component, you're embedding an entire React application inside iframe. Now think of it like this. Your web builder is a parent, and the widget you're making will be a child. So that child will be living inside an iframe provided by the parent. As they are technically two different entities, they need to communicate with each other. That's exactly where Postmate comes in. Postmate actually handles all the handshakes and determines which one is the child and the parent. Once they trust each other, the widget can send HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript to the web builder, and the web builder will be able to render the custom element. It's like having a secure phone line between two applications that normally doesn't trust each other. Alright, to make it simple for you guys, I'll freshly create a React application and walk you through each step so that you can understand and create your own custom GHL Web Widget. I'll just quickly set up a React file with Vite and Tailwind for the styling. To keep it simple, I will just create a simple title widget for this video. But I will keep the file structure in a way so that you guys will be able to use the same file structure to create much more complex widgets. So this should be the file structure. Now you can pause the video and create all the files according to this structure. Now firstly, we'll be writing the types in it, as we are using TypeScript for this project. After defining the types, we'll be setting a default value. So whenever the connection is getting established for the first time, this default value will be provided to the parent for initial rendering. Now we'll write a hook, which will keep track on the config. Now one of the important part in this project is the transpiler file. This file actually generates the HTML along with the styling and the JavaScript in it. And this will be directly sent to the web builder for rendering. And here's our final boss, which is Postmate. So basically, it just checks if the handshake has been done properly or not. If the handshake has been done properly, it emits the code to the parent, and if it's not done, it'll just throw an error. Then the web builder receives the element store and uses the config to render it accordingly. Now we'll write the settings file. We'll be using the settings to control our widget. Lastly, we'll just write our app.tsx file. Inside this file, we're using Postmate and establishing the connection between the child and the parent. Nice, we have our own GHL custom web widget. Now I have a question for you. If you run npm run dev in this file, you will only get to see the settings. Do you know why? It's because we don't have an iframe here. Our whole widget section is getting pushed to the iframe. To see that, we'll have to shift to the GHL. Now I'll create an app in my marketplace, fill the necessary details, now I'll go back to my file and write npm run build. It will be giving me a build file. Let's open the build file, go to index.html. Now we'll have to prepare these links. Now close it. Now we'll have to compress this file in a zip, drag it to the web builder, and we're done. Now copy the ID of this app from the URL and open a random app from the marketplace. Replace the ID. And you'll get to see your app. Install it. Now we'll go back to the agency app, create a new website, go to the web widgets, installed, and here's your app. You can drag and drop it. Voila, we are done. Now the possibilities are again endless. You can create whatever you want. Now the title web widget is just a beginning, and the possibilities are endless. We have built custom solutions for a lot of companies for their unique needs. And we have been successful each and every time. So yeah, with GHL, anything is possible. You just need to find out the way. If you found this valuable, smash the like button. And hey, if you're an agency owner looking for someone to handle all of this for you, that's what we exactly do. We built GHL custom features, web widgets, and many more. There's a link below in the description. You can go ahead and book your first free appointment from there. Subscribe for more contents like this. Trust me, there are a lot of exciting videos lined up for you. Until then, keep building.